Welcome back, we've got a new video today and this is the Rate W20 sent to us from Banggood for review for free. The boot was about to close on the camera then. Sent to us for free, no money's changed hands, no talking points, we're just going to rip the living out of it. Let's freaking go!
Let's just check it first.
We're recording badly.
Okay.
Puddle, bro, puddle.
Yeah, we're all good. We're all good. So it's just a case of just testing it and seeing how it goes first of all. It may have just a little bit too much speed for this area. And there's a van. Let's just turn its engine on.
Oh my god, tree! Tree, bro, careful.
Nice one, Spotter.
Person's reversing. Oh,
Yeah.
I just kicked the camera a bit.
Oh, don't do that.
I didn't mean to.
Okay.
I never said van though. Bet you won't power loop that gate.
Well, that's what I'm aiming for. But there's just a few cars about which is making me a little bit nervous, I can't lie.
We're going away now, so. Oh wow, it's really fast. Tree! Tree! Oh my god, careful!
What are you talking about, fool?
But who's right aboard a tree, bro?
What are you talking about, fool?
Yeah, that has way too much power for this, right?
I think so, yeah.
Oh my god, you nearly backed up into a tree, bro.
But it's good. It's smooth.
Please guess what trees are?
Dicks.
True. I think you hit a tree.
Yeah. I'm not talking, am I? I've just realised I've forgotten how to talk, which is a bit of a shame. I don't really want to power loop over there because it's a bit bigger than Tiny Whoop is this, and I just don't want to get anybody's eye who are driving and distract them because that would be dangerous.
Yeah. Well, your hair's sticking out a bit.
Or is it?
Not
Oh.
that much. So, it's like a very tiny bit. I only just realised.
Yeah, I like this. This is fun.
It's barely noticeable on camera.
Alright, boss.
So it should be good. Starting to ring a bit now.
See, can I? If I power loop and keep to the, but then that car's there. If that car wasn't there, I'd power loop it, but. Whoa!
Oh my god!
Right, I'm going to come back and land.
Oh.
Okay, so this is the Angry Karen noise test for the Rate W20 Boy Wonder. Here we go.
Yep.
Full throttle.
Actually pretty fast, and I don't really know. Can you do it again, maybe?
Once more, but I've got loads and loads of rain on my lens. The rain is
That'll probably shake it off.
I'm going to come down the path. Are you ready?
Yep. Don't come too close, I'm like right at the gate. Ah! Okay, I think I've got my score. Have you? Have you?
I think so, yeah. We're doing it out of 10, by the way. Just remember that. I'm going to come down the path again, and I'll just do something near you, just to, yeah.
Alright, alright. Not really close, because I'm look.
It's really difficult to see, actually. Okay, I think that concludes the Angry Karen noise test. Boy Wonder, I'll see you back at the fence in a second. So, we're back on the ground, and hang on a minute, let me do a lens wipe. Okay, lens wipe complete. Okay, that was the Angry Karen noise test of the Rate W20. We're marking it out of 10 from, oh, hang on a minute. From my point of view, I'm going to give this 3, no, I'm going to give this 2 Angry Karens out of 10. Boy Wonder FPV, what do you think?
2 as well.
2 as well.
About 2.
Yeah, it is really, really quiet. It does a little bit sort of scream the pitch at full sort of throttle, but overall nobody's even going to notice this unless you're going full throttle, and you don't really need to because it's got enough power sort of up to the 80% throttle mark anyway. Right, let's move on to the next segment of something else, because it's raining.
Okay, so we are taking the Rate W20 out in the rain and the wind to the tree, and we're going to see just how well it'll fly around a bit of a bigger open space than what we just tried to fly it around, because that was a little bit too confined with the cars there. I would have happily risked it a little bit more if it wasn't for the fact that we had that many cars there and a few pedestrians, with it being a Sunday as well. So far so good. It flies really well. This camera actually, obviously because we haven't got sun in the UK, we don't have the sun, it's not something that we ever see. Is the rain getting in your eyes? Well, the good thing is we don't have the glare because of the extra glass that's in there, which I know is going to be a problem if you ever fly into direct sunlight.
But if you don't get the glare, isn't it better?
Yeah. So because it's not sunny, we haven't got that glare.
Why do you say it's a problem if you fly direct sunlight?
Because you'll get the glare in direct sunlight.
Oh.
Yeah, that was lovely. What I just did there was, if I do say so myself.
As well?
Yeah, you can have a fly, of course you can, sir.
Yeah.
We need to know what Boy Wonder FPV thinks.
Boy Wonder approved.
Exactly.
And I already have a feeling this is Boy Wonder approved.
Well, it's very quiet, very light. Oh, I just touched the ground there.
I heard it. Oh, Mother Jacob.
I wasn't quite... That wind is a lot stronger than what you think, because I was just halfway up and over the tree. And the wind did, yeah, and the wind decided that it was going to push me the other way. Okay, mate, okay. The wind is actually a lot worse than you think.
Oh my God, my eyes. Ow.
Yeah, you can feel it now.
Getting in my eyes.
But this is chill. We're at nearly 2.5 minutes of relatively strenuous ripping on a 550 2S. But we are fighting that wind, as you can see there when we come down. I'll put the goggles view up as well. You could see the prop wash because it's fighting the wind. I also think it could benefit from a better tune. I don't think this tune is as good as it could be, but I have seen worse. Now this isn't waterproof, so we are going to be very careful with it in this weather, but we're at 2 minutes and 50 seconds at 3.5 volts, so I'm going to come back and land.
Wind is absolutely crazy, so for a 2-inch 2S drone, it's doing pretty well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, I've got a few questions for you, Boy Wonder FPV. First of all, this is the 3rd day in a row that you're using the brand new V12.
Hang on, there's a lot of water on the camera.
All right.
How is blowing it off?
How is the V12 controller?
It feels really nice, especially over throttle.
Brilliant. Now, how is the Rate W20?
Very powerful. I nearly just got blown into the tree.
It's super smooth, isn't it?
It's not very like wind resistant.
No, but there is quite a lot of wind. It is whipping around a little bit at the minute, isn't it?
Oh, I nearly just got.
One more question for you, Boy Wonder FPV.
Yeah.
What do you think of that camera? Because that is actually an O4 Lite, but it feels very much like an O4 Pro, doesn't it?
It feels like an O4. Well, there's quite a lot of water on the
Is it?
video.
Is it Boy Wonder FPV approved?
Yes.
I'm going to let you concentrate. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Not definitely. Just quite a bit of Boy Wonder.
Quite a bit. So not definitely,
but wind resistance.
but quite a bit. Yeah.
Person coming in
Feel the
and
wind though.
everything.
Feel the wind. Right. Yes. I'm gonna. Right. Yes. So that was a Rate W20. It's not perfect, it could do with a better tune, and I'll do that over the coming few days, but it's a really fun little micro quad. The first area we flew it in, I could have flown it a little bit harder, but with the cars there, I just didn't want to take a risk. It's also fine in an open space to stretch its legs as well. Boy Wonder FPV's enjoyed it, and it's a really low score on the Karen score. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description down below. If you're considering picking one up, do consider using the affiliate link because, you know, it helps the channel. But But if you don't want to, that's cool as well. As long as you're enjoying the videos, that's all I care about. Got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I can't wait to chat to you guys. And until next time, peace! YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so